In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create budget via the actual online QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through enabling budgeting, building a practical budget, and then comparing it to your actual results using the budget versus actual report. Follow along in your QuickBooks Online company so you can put this in place right away. First, make sure budgeting is turned on. Open the settings menu, then choose budgeting. If you see the budgeting dashboard, you're good to go. This feature lets you create structured plans for income and expenses and then measure performance against them, which is essential for staying on track throughout the year. Next, create a new budget. From settings, open budgeting and select add budget. For budget type, choose profit and loss. This focuses on your income and expense accounts, which is what you want for performance tracking. Select your fiscal year so the budget aligns with your reporting periods, then choose your interval. Monthly if you want the most detail and control, quarterly for a higher level view, or yearly if you just need broad targets. Click next to continue. Now enter your budget amounts. Work through your income and expense accounts and plug in the figures you plan to hit. You can type amounts manually, copy last year's actuals to use as a starting point, or split totals evenly across the months to speed things up. A helpful approach is to begin with your major categories, things like rent, payroll, and advertising, and then fill in the smaller lines. Keep your assumptions realistic and consistent with prior trends, and consider seasonality if your business has busy and slow periods. When everything looks right, click Save. If you use tracking, you can optionally assign the budget to a class or a customer. Choosing class is great for department-level planning, while customer works well for project-level budgets. Keep your structure consistent with how you record transactions so your comparisons line up. Time to run the comparison. Go to Reports and search for Budget versus Actual, then open the report. Click Customize to tailor it. Set your date range to the month, quarter, or year to date you want to analyze. Choose your accounting method, accrual or cash, to match how you review your financials. Pick the columns you need, such as budget, actual, difference, and percent difference, and then run the report. Review the variances. Positive variance means you're under budget. Negative variance means you're over budget. Click any number to drill down and see the transactions driving the result.